Good morning, children. Let us begin with today's thought. Do the right thing even when no one is looking. In the previous video, we learned that there is air everywhere, though we cannot see it with our eyes. There is air dissolved in water too. Children, as we have learnt, all living things need air. Humans, plants and animals are living things. We find animals on the land, in the sky and in water too. Such animals are called aquatic animals. Children, fishes, seahorse, shark are some of the aquatic animals. These animals too need air. These animals use the air dissolved in water. Now, you must be thinking, fishes do not have nose like us. So, how do they breathe? Let's see. Dear children, here you can see parts of a fish. That is, different body parts like mouth, eyes, fins, tail and gills. Children, fishes breathe with the help of gills. Children, let's have a look on this picture now. As we learnt, fish are able to use the air that is dissolved in water. Some people keep fish in a glass fish tank. As you can see here, it is called an aquarium. It is always full of water. The fish in the aquarium use the air dissolved in the water for breathing. As a result, the amount of air dissolved in the water can get reduced. If all the air was used up, the fish would die. Therefore, more air is continuously added to the water in the aquarium. You can see an instrument here through which air is added in the water in the aquarium. That is why we see air bubbles rising up through the water in such fish tank. And that is why fish can live in an aquarium. Now, let's have a look on this picture. This is a glass full of water. If we blew air through a straw in the water, what do we see? We see bubbles rise up in the water. Children, this happened because when we blow air into the water, this air rose up and escaped in the form of bubbles. As you can see here, the air has rose up and escaped in the form of bubbles. Dear children, Here we have completed the lesson. Let's revise what we have studied. There is air everywhere. We cannot see it with our eyes. Air does not have color, smell or taste. Living things need air for respiration. Children, always remember, every day one must spend some time playing in an open playground to get fresh air. You have to read the lesson thoroughly. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.